Type a single descriptive sentence into your browser, and moments later, you get a stunning cinematic video like this. Today, we're going to build a polished, highly realistic AI video from scratch using Google's Veo 3, and we'll do it in under 5 minutes. You don't need a heavy editing rig or a massive software suite to follow along. You just need an open web browser, an active Google account, and an idea of what you want to create. Since the software handles the camera work and rendering, your only real job is learning exactly how to write instructions that the AI actually understands. Step 1 is getting into the platform. Go to Google's AI Video Workspace, sign in with your account, and open up a new project. Right in the center of your screen, you'll see a single empty text box. This is your prompt area. Notice how clean the interface is. There are no complicated timelines or overwhelming menus, just that central space where you'll type your descriptions. That single text field does the heavy lifting of a traditional editing bay, lighting crew, and camera operator. To get high-quality results out of that text box, we need a structured approach. We're going to use a 5-ingredient prompt formula. Ingredient 1 is the subject, a happy golden retriever running. Next, the environment, running through a flower field. Third, camera angle, a handheld camera following behind. Fourth, lighting, golden hour cinematic lighting. Finally, style, highly realistic 4K. By combining all 5 of these elements into one continuous sentence, you give the AI the exact context it needs to generate a cohesive scene. If you skip these details, you fall into the most common trap for beginners, the vague prompt. Typing something like a dog running forces the AI to guess the lighting, the setting, and the camera movement. That guessing usually results in flat, blurry, or erratic video. This side-by-side comparison shows the AI guessing on the left versus the clarity achieved with our 5-ingredient formula on the right. Your text prompt is a direct set of directorial instructions. The tighter your control over those instructions, the sharper the final video. With your prompt ready, choose your aspect ratio. Set it to landscape for YouTube, vertical for Shorts, or square for Instagram. Hit the Generate button. The system will take a short while to process the complexity of your request and render the initial frames. When the result pops up, watch it closely, but treat it as a rough draft. It is rare to pull a flawless clip on the very first try. Instead of deleting everything and starting over, we're going to use a technique called pro-iteration to refine what we already have. To fix draft imperfections, go back to your prompt box and append precise modifier phrases to the end, like smooth camera movement or detailed textures. Click Generate again to apply these new precision constraints to your existing scene. This comparison highlights the leap in quality. The rough draft plays left, while the seamlessly polished iteration plays on the right. Polished AI videos are sculpted through deliberate, cyclical refinement. You generate, review, improve the text, and repeat. In under 5 minutes, we've gone from a completely blank screen to a fully realized cinematic video clip. With this workflow, you can generate high-quality product ads, build out cinematic B-roll for your existing projects, or even direct your own short films. You now have the exact framework required to build your own professional-grade cinematic content. If this guide helped you, click the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Then drop down to the comments and let me know, what movie scene or video idea are you going to generate first?